How to vacuum clean a felt rug. Handmade felt ball rugs are a beautiful and unique addition to any room, but they do require a little bit of special care to keep them looking their best. Vacuum the rug regularly. This will help to remove any dirt or debris that may have accumulated on the surface of the rug. Use a low suction setting to avoid damaging the felt balls and be gentle when moving the vacuum over the rug. With a little bit of care and maintenance, you can enjoy the beauty and warmth of your felt ball rug for many years to come.